the moment of truth for the top 3 for this prestigious contest, ano? Our third winner. Tawagan natin ang Team Glamouresa. Okay, so in-emphasize ko that, emphasize in the amount of 5,000 pesos, tapos may plaque of recognition, certification, para ang effort. Okay, let us pinapunod yung tigol ng first place. Liga ng mga barangay.
Okay, now let's proceed to the awarding of certificates to our board of judges. Okay, married to you, the content and the certificate, Republic of the Philippines, Province of Northern Samar Municipality, Deputy Office of the Municipal Mayor. Certificate of Appreciation is awarded to Dr. Natalie and Fabricare for generously sharing time, expertise, and wisdom as a member of the Board of Judges during the Adopt and 3 Christmas Decoration Contest organized by the LGU Lapining and held on December 7, 2025 and celebration of the Yuletide season. Lapining Northern Samar side, Attorney Ronaldo A. Minzon Jr., Municipal Mayor. A round of applause, please. Similar certificate is awarded to Dr. Kaizo Yvonne F. Lauro.